Hi, my name is Alicia. I'll be your guide for Unit 11 Alternating Current Terms. Comparison between AC and DC system. Most popular and commonly used source for domestic and industrial need. AC can be produced in large quantity, greater than 11 kV. AC voltage can be increased up to 220 kV and can be decreased to any desired value with the help of transformer. AC can be transmitted to a longer distances at extreme high voltage level. AC generators and motors are simple in construction, small in size, and cheaper. DC is used for some specific applications like battery charging, electroplating, etc. DC is produced at maximum voltage of 1000 volt. DC is a constant voltage and cannot be varied by simple methods, and it can be produced in large. Generally, DC cannot be transmitted to long distances as it cannot step up. DC generators and motors are complex in construction, bigger in size, and costly for given rating. Terms of alternating current. Inductance. It is a property of a coil to produce a magnetic flux. When an alternating current is passed through it, unit is Henry and denoted by L. Inductive reactance. It is the opposition offered to an alternating current by the inductance effect of an inductor or a coil when an alternating current is passed through it. Inductive reactance is the counter EMF produced by inductance effect. It is equal and opposite to the applied AC voltage. It is represented by XL and measured in ohm. Equation is given below. When a coil is connected to the DC source, the current is limited by wire resistance only. But if same coil is connected to the AC source, the current is limited by the wire resistance and inductive reactance, that is R plus X into L. Capacitance. It is the ability or capacity of a capacitor to store an electrical charge or energy when connected across the supply. Its unit is farad, F, and denoted by C. Capacitive reactance. It is the opposition offered to the flow of current due to the internal resistance of capacitor when connected to the supply. It is inversely proportional to the supply frequency and capacitance. It is denoted by X and measured in ohm. Effect of inductive and capacitive reactance on AC circuit. AC through inductance L. Frequency. The number of AC cycles completed per second is called frequency. The frequency produced in AC generator alternator is proportional to the number of stator poles and speed of the alternator. Hence, frequency F equals to P into N by 120 C by S or Hertz. A standard frequency produced by the alternators in most of the power generating stations in India is 50 Hz. Peak value. The maximum value at which an AC quantity, voltage or current attained in a cycle is called as peak value. It is obtained when an armature conductor reaches the position at perpendicular to the field poles. Instantaneous value. It is the value or magnitude of an alternating current at any instant of cycle. RMS value, root mean square value, is the actual or effective value of an alternating voltage or current. It is the instantaneous value at several points of a time during a cycle. These values are scored, added, and then averaged. The square root of this average value is the RMS value of an alternating current. RMS value of AC voltage or current is given below. Average value. An average of instantaneous values of an alternating voltage or current over one complete cycle is called average value. Each mid-ordinate value of the voltage waveform is summed total V1 to V10 and is divided by the number of mid-ordinates giving the average voltage. Form factor. The ratio of RMS value and average value is called form factor. Form factor equals to RMS value by average value. Peak factor. It is defined as ratio of peak or maximum value and RMS value of AC. Peak factor Kp equals to maximum value by RMS value. Now we know all concepts related to alternating current terms. Hi, my name is Alicia. With this, we will complete Unit 11 of Electrician Trade.